chapter number 7 and that is oscillation और सबसे पहले multiple choices start। तो इसमें first question है the tuning of a radio set is an example of question number 1 tuning of a radio set is an example of electrical resonance tuning of radio set is an example of electrical resonance. So the correct option C. Correct option is C. Question number 2. Heating and cooking of food evenly by microwave oven is an example of. This is heating and cooking of food by microwave oven is an example of resonance. So the correct option is B. Question number 3 है time period of the same pendulum at Karachi and Murray are related as follows. Question 3 time period of simple pendulum is T is equal to 2 pi L upon G. T at Karachi is 2 pi L upon G at Karachi and T at Murray is 2 pi L upon G at Murray. By dividing this equation Tk by Tm is equal to 2 pi L upon over 2 pi L upon this is Gm over Gk, that is ratio between the time period is equal to inverse ratio of the acceleration due to inverse ratio of the square root of the acceleration due to gravity. Since Gk is greater than Gm, therefore Tk is less than Tm. So the correct option है C. C is the correct option. Next, question number 4. In an isolated system, total energy of the vibrating mass spring is constant. Total energy of an isolated mass spring system remain constant. Correct option is D. Question number 5. While deriving the equation of time period for simple pendulum, which quantity should be kept small? In case of simple pendulum, the amplitude of the pendulum is kept small. Correct option क्या है? B. Amplitude is kept small. Question number 6 देखते हैं. The period of oscillation of mass suspended from the spring is 2s. Then the period of mass 4m will be. Time period of mass spring system is T is equal to 2 pi m upon k. If m changes to m dash, then T changes to T dash. So T dash 2 pi m dash by k. According to question, m dash is 4m. So t dash 2 pi 4m by k. This is 2 under root 2 pi m upon k. This is 2t. T dash is 2t. So t dash is this is 2 into 2 is equal to 4 seconds. So the correct option is D. This is 4 seconds. This is the correct option. Question number 7. Question number 7 में the time period of the simple pendulum is 2 seconds. If its length is increased 4 times, then its period becomes time period of simple pendulum is given by the equation t is equal to 2 pi l upon g. If l changes to l dash, then t changes to t dash. So t dash is 2 pi l dash by g. According to question, l dash is 4l. l dash is 4l, इसलिए t dash 2 pi 4l by g under root this is 2 times 2 pi l upon g. This is 2t. So t dash 2 into 2 is 4 seconds. So the correct option D, 4 seconds. Question number है 8. Question number 8 में to make the frequency double of the spring oscillating, we have to reduce the mass 1/4, quadruple the mass, double the mass, half the mass. To make the frequency double of, we know that for mass spring system frequency is 1/2 pi k by m. K by m. So if m changes to m dash, then f changes to f dash. So f dash 1/2 pi k by m dash, taking a ratio f over f dash 1/2 pi k by m 1/2 pi k by m dash is equal to m dash by m under root. तो हम क्या चाहते हैं? बाई स्क्वेयरिंग एफ स्क्वेयर ओवर एफ डैश स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू एम डैश बाई एम. तो अब क्वेश्चन क्या कहता है? अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन एफ डैश 2f के बराबर, तो f डैश का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, दैट इज 4f स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. इसलिए f स्क्वायर ओवर 4f स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू m डैश बाई m. 1/4 इज इक्वल टू m डैश बाई m. देन m डैश इज 1/4 m. m डैश, इसका मतलब है कि हमने मैस को रिड्यूस करना है टू 1/4, देन फ्रीक्वेंसी जो है वो डबल हो जाएगी. अगर हम मैस को 4 टाइम कम कर दें, रेशियो बिटवीन द फ्रीक्वेंसीज इनवर्स रेशियो ऑफ द मैसेस, और वो भी स्क्वायर में है, तो यहाँ से क्वेश्चन क्या कहता है कि फ्रीक्वेंसी को डबल करना है. एफ डैश 2FO, तो एफ डैश का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 4F स्क्वायर, तो एफ स्क्वायर ओवर 4F स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू m डैश बाई m, then 1/4 is m dash by m, then m dash is equal to 1/4m, that is we reduce the mass to 1/4. So the correct option is A. इसके बाद अब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है. The restoring force of simple harmonic motion is maximum and the body displacement is maximum of, we know that restoring force F is minus kx, that is directly proportional to minus x. If x is maximum, then restoring force will be maximum also. So the correct option is A. Question number 10 है कि spring of spring constant K1 and K2 are joined in series. Two springs are joined in series with spring constant K1 and K2. Since F is equal to Kx, इसलिए F1 is Kx1, F2 is equal to K2x2, x1 is equal to F by K1 और x2 is equal to F by K2. By adding x equal to x1 plus x2, F by K, F by K1, F by K2. तो यहाँ से हम लिख सकते हैं 1/k is equal to 1/K1 plus 1/K2. So LCM K2 plus K1 is 1/K. तो K किसके बराबर आ जाएगा? K1 K2 over K1 plus K2. So the correct option is C. Correct option C is this is the answer.